Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
AMP at present exchanges closed $5. The MA50 in a real sense is as of now at $5, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. AMP for the most part faces medium-term obstruction at $6 in a significant manner. AMP records kind of descending development today, which essentially is very huge. So 5 walk 2024. In this, we will walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on some pressing issues facts, what essentially is especially momentary cost expectation for AMP. In a real sense is AMP a truly wise speculation, which most certainly is genuinely huge. AMP support and opposition levels and so on, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to jumping extremely profound into the AMP specialized examination, let us truly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to 2,499,22,426,1975. So AMP records pretty descending development today, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The genuinely absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at 222,7941,232, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, showing how AMP generally faces medium-term obstruction at $6, or so they generally thought, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $63,913.47 level after a decay of 398%, which most certainly is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of some 33% coming to $3,610 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a value change of 251% within a similar time period in an especially large manner. Sol, the truly local coin of Solana, fundamentally is up by 219 and right now exchanging at $132.24. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a value change of 251% within a similar time span, which truly is genuinely huge. Moreover, XRP came to $0.62 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.8% in esteem, which fundamentally is very critical. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market especially is going in a descending bearing for commonly transient in a by and large huge manner. Right now, a very broad, really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely further appearance how AMP records genuinely descending development today, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 33% coming to $3,610 during the past 24 hours in a quite enormous manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchases really become basically more by and large dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers truly become move especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing what basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $63,913.47 level after a decay of 398%, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP really is at $5 down 227% in the beyond 24 hours and by and large has a value. That market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 184%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $2,499,22,426,175. So AMP keeps commonly descending development today in a sort of enormous manner. We utilize really relative strength indices, moving especially normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving fundamentally normal SMA and dramatic moving truly normal MA to explicitly examine the future development of the AMP, showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a descending course for kind of momentary in a kind of enormous manner. While AMP's Williams %R marker truly is at 61,856 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange exceptionally signal in every way that really matters is truly conceivable at this reach in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. The MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that for the most part all-out exchanging volume really remains at $222,7941,232 in an unpretentious manner. AMP financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday outline, so AMP at present exchanges closed $5 the MA50 fundamentally is as of now at $5 amazingly. The main help level for AMP essentially is at $5, while the subsequent one is at $4, kind of additional appearance how we utilize relative strength indices, moving truly normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving genuinely normal SMA and dramatic moving truly normal MA to dissect the future development of the AMP, showing how these occasions truly stage while exchanging at 45 and in every way that really matters is attempting to all things considered, break out of the impartiality zone, showing how AMP right now exchanges closed main 5 the MA50 in a real sense is at present at $5 in a truly significant manner. Ends AMP essentially is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to generally suggest that the digital currency generally is in an unsafe circumstance that can't sort of be corrected, exhibiting the way in which AMP value examination, AMP cost examination for ZO5 Walk 2024 inside a genuinely day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of underneath, which for the most part shows that market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $499,922,426,175, so AMP records sort of descending. Development today, which by and large is very huge. Regardless of whether the cost in every practical sense is falling consistently, it sort of is guessed that the two help levels will, for the most part, act as major areas of strength for especially and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the especially certain zone, by and large further appearance how market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $499,22,426,175, so AMP keeps truly descending development today in a genuine